So right now we're in mid-March, I would call it. So landscaping, it's going to be starting quick. So my plan for this video, I kind of want to do it behind the scenes, showing all the pre-season maintenance. Like I got to take the plow off of here, sander. This truck needs oil change. That truck needs oil change. The Mini, I got to service that. So we're going to do that. The backhoe needs some work. I got to pick my mowers up from storage. So I kind of want to show a video of everything behind the scenes. I kind of have a trend where every year I kind of go in last minute and running around trying to fix shit while jobs have already started. So this year I'm trying to be better about that and get everything done now. So I got the Yanmar behind me here. It's been working hard the past couple months, so we're gonna give it a quick on-site service. Barry Equipment, the company I bought the machine from, they kill it with customer service. They brought me everything I need for it, so got tools in the truck and get this done and keep on working. Alright, air filter's done. I'm going to do a quick oil change on it. So, just going to pop that cover off, and that's that. Just waiting for the wind to blow and I get soaked in oil. Called it. There she goes. My shit hoodie is officially shit now. But what are you gonna do? I've done my fair share of oil changes, and usually taking the filter off, it's terrible because you get oil everywhere. But I just noticed this, so they made a little like bowl, and then they actually have a tube running down, so when you take the filter off, the oil goes in the bowl and down the tube into your bucket. And that's one of the smarter things I've ever seen for oil changes. So good shit, Yanmar. I forgot to film putting oil in the machine, but it's in there. The Mini, it's all serviced. I think the only thing I have to do still is a hydraulic filter element, but I don't have to do that until 250 hours, so I got a little bit of time on that, but I have the part when I need to do it. Other thing done. I took my intake boot off the turbo so I get to the filter better. But the air filter here, took a look at it. It's a little dirty, so I'm gonna get a new one of them too. It's actually very dirty. So yeah, we're gonna change that out too today. Junk. Alright, got my air filter, you know, gotta go for gold. I'm gonna put the new one in, and then yeah, that's about it for the truck for now. It's a new one, and there we go. Just like that, we're done.